JPNIC in Lucknow totally barricaded by Lucknow police. You can see a visual. This is a gate of JPNIC where this barrier has been installed now and the police force have been deployed. The reason is there. It is possibly the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav will be here for JPNIC and he will be entered, and due to this reason police has barricaded to all this area which located in Gomti Nagar, and you can understand and see this visual that the JPNIC gate where this tin shed also have been installed now for nobody could to enter inside this JPNIC. And you can see this visual Jayaprakash Narayan International Center where the statue of Jayaprakash Narayan is situated, and the party worker and Akhilesh Yadav Samajwadi Party chief who wish to come here for tribute to Jai Narayana Prakash. It means that the situation is according different for Samajwadi Party, but meanwhile it has seen that the Samajwadi Party party worker who has been entered inside the JPNIC and garlanded that JP statue. It means that the police was here and the barricadings were here installed. Even then, the situation, that's according to the Samajwadi Party, that they could not reach here. But the police is still waiting that when Samajwadi Party chief will come here for JPNIC to give a tribute to Jayaprakash Narayan on the occasion of his birth anniversary. It means that this was the preparation of Lucknow police. This is what big you can see and understand that these barricades have been installed here on the gate of JPNIC's gate, and that the situation has occurred here that no party worker could be here due to this security which has been done by the Lucknow police. With camera person Sandeep Dubey, Ashish Srivastava, India Today, Lucknow.